Hello everybody, this is Itay Verchik, and on this guide I'm going to show you how you can track your links if you bought any backlinks in Savvy. Okay, so first of all, in order to be able to track your backlinks, you have to log into savvy.com, as you can see right here on the main menu. Get started now, click on that, and log into your user, or just sign up if you don't have any user at all. So just click on login, and on the main menu that you see right here below projects, you have the link tracking page. Click on that, and as you can see right here, you have the list of all of your backlinks that you have added with status and also the error details. So let's take for an example my website that I have right here. I put a domain and click on add new. Now it will scan it daily to show me the status. If I have any issues, I will get an email for the status change. Now let's put a different URL that doesn't exist on the same website, by the way. So as you can see right here, I have the status 404, which the page doesn't exist. And this is how you can track your backlinks daily using this simple tool with Savvy for free. As you saw, it's very easy to use the link tracker in order to track your backlinks. If you have any more questions, you can write down on the comments below and I will comment. And on the first comment, I put the link to my full guide on my website. And if you like this video, you can subscribe, comment, and share, and good luck.